Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1 litre Civic SR. Of course, it is finished in polished metal and it does come with full LED headlights, LED daytime running lights and LED fog lights. You also get 4 front parking sensors as well. You then get these brilliant 17-inch anthracite grey alloys, all of which are in great condition. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what design pattern each and every alloy has. But walking around the car to the rear now, you'll notice you get 4 rear parking sensors. You also get a reversing camera just up at the top there above the registration plate. Moving into the boot, we've got plenty of room in here as well. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with this level just here. You've then got a pull-out privacy shelf as well, which does team up with the visor just there to ensure maximum privacy for any belongings in the boot. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we've got full cloth black interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got electric windows all round. Jumping in the front of the car now, as you can see, we have got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy mode and your stop start on or off. We've got a 6-speed manual gearbox as standard in this car as well, and then we do also have dual climate control, which can be operated via the touchscreen display. We've then got satellite navigation. We've got all your various audio sources just there as well, and then we've also got your Bluetooth hands-free. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your volume controls, onboard computer control, Bluetooth hands-free and voice assistant. These arrows here do of course work between the infotainment system and the onboard computer at the top. We've got cruise control, speed limiter, lane keep assist and distance control on the right hand side. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and of course, as you can see, this car has done 21,625 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Civic, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.